make $100 every single minute for every time someone uses your link, your affiliate link, to log into a particular website. I saw this post and I was like, wow, this is really too good to be true. Is it really true? And then I decided to come check it out and try it out with my YouTube family. First thing you should know is that not all advice is financial advice is best for you. So know what works for you. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to do this little task together. I'm going to show you if it really worked or if it did not work, and I'm going to give you my review by the end of today's video. Alright, first step was that you have to get your affiliate link. According to the video I watched, they said we get our affiliate link, and then secondly, after getting your affiliate link, you then go to a Facebook group and then put it out so that people can join and get in through your affiliate link, and once they get the commission, you are credited. So let's get started. So the first thing what to do is log in or you register, either of these ones. If you've registered before, then that's cool, then you can log in. But if you've not registered before, I think you should do that first of all. Then after that, we type in PayPal gift cards, okay, to see our search. Oh my good lord, now they're saying no PayPal, nothing of such. I think, did I really check it out? Well, PayPal, okay. So what really is the matter? Gift cards, why are they not showing me? Okay, good. PayPal gift cards. Okay, here we see PayPal gift card for US, $16 payout. Once somebody uses your affiliate, you are paid $16. Once somebody uses your affiliate to enter their email address, you are paid $16. Here is $7. Here is $3. Okay, let's just go with the first one, which is PayPal gift card US trial personal approval. Even this first sentence, I'm finding it very difficult to understand. Let me tell you something, guys. The moment you enter into a particular website and you find it difficult to understand what they are trying to say, what they are, the service they are trying to render, run, because that is a very, very bad signal. If you enter Amazon, you will know that this is what they are simply saying. This is the straight up point they are making. But if you enter a particular website and you don't even grasp it, you are reading it for the third time and you still cannot grasp it, I wonder what you are still doing on that website. Unless it's your greed now riding over you. So let's continue. Now they said the amount is fixed for anybody that registers using my affiliate link and then imputes their email. I'm getting $16. Okay, so run the offer. We'll have to wait a little while for it to load. Okay, first of all, they said sign in or you create an account. So I'll be back, guys. Let me just quickly create the account and then get back to you. Besides, the kind of question these guys ask is really something else. Guys, I'm having a little problem joining with this one. They keep telling me I did not sign up. Alright, so I think we'll just go over to another website. Let's try out this one. Okay, this one said $750 PayPal gift card for every person that signs in with your affiliate link and performs this little task here and puts in their email, you get $3. Okay, so let's run the offer. This is how that website will look like. Now we convert traffic every single day, building and growing relation, blah 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 blah. Now it's time to join us, partner, or you get out. So we just partner with them. That's by signing up. We say hola, new media partner, register here to join the network. So many info to give us, boy. So I'll get back to you guys on this. I just pray these people don't bounce me back. So I'll get back to you on this after I've completed this strenuous 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 exercise. All is good. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to check and verify your email address. Okay, let me verify my email address, guys. I'll be back. I'm still waiting for the email. Okay. Well, that's by the way. So what we're going to do after we've gotten our affiliate link from that place, I'm even wondering where I'll get that affiliate link, and I don't know why they're delaying in sending me the affiliate link or the email, whatever. So when you get the affiliate link, Facebook, and then go to any group of your choice, or especially a Make Money Online group. Make Money Online group, or search for groups. How do they search for groups in this place again? Groups, okay? Then you search Make Money Online groups, Make Money Online group USA. I'm still waiting for their email. They've not sent me the email, but choose. You should know well to choose the group that is very active. They also have their chat room as well. So this group is 29,000 members. Join group. It doesn't have a chat room, and yeah, they're active. So 11 minutes ago, someone posted 11 minutes ago. So someone posted how many minutes ago? 9 hours ago. Okay, so you can choose to write anything of your choice here and then put in the affiliate link if you choose to. But most preferably, Facebook doesn't permit you at most of the times to post in a group. Post the affiliate link in a group just like that. So you have to, after creating your write-up, you now ask them if you are in, say you are in. Then once people respond to that, you personally go back into give them a direct message with the affiliate link on it. So that being said, you can get 1,000 people clicking and putting in their emails in that affiliate link. But now that I've not got my affiliate link, I wonder what I will do. Let's try if I can log in. Hey guys, unfortunately they're telling me please check that you have used the correct email and password combination. So they're trying to say that either my email is wrong or my password is wrong. I've tried this over and over and they're not giving me any response. So I think we're done here. This thing doesn't really work. Please tell me if it works for you or if it worked for you, but for me it's not working here. So thank you so much guys for coming to the end of this video with me. You can try out other options available. I'm not really going to spend my time trying out all these things because honestly they can't make you rich, even if $2 in your pocket, but they definitely will not make you rich. So if you choose to try out, fine, you can let us know your results in the comment section below. All right, thank you so much guys for coming to the end of this video with me. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in my next video. Until then, be good. Bye.